What if I told you the biggest transfer of wealth in human history is happening right now, and most people will completely miss it? A new form of money just crossed $300 billion in size, moves faster than lightning, costs almost nothing. And Wall Street giants like Citadel just poured $500 million into it in a single week. This isn't Bitcoin. This isn't meme coins. This is the quiet revolution that's about to replace the dollars in your pocket forever. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Let me break this down simply. Stablecoin is digital cash that refuses to move in price. One coin equals $1, today, tomorrow, 10 years from now. The two giants, Tether and Circle's USDC, now hold more value than the entire economy of some nations. Last month alone, over $1.5 trillion flowed through these coins. It's more volume than Visa and PayPal combined in certain weeks. Think about that. While Bitcoin grabs headlines with its wild swings, stablecoins have quietly become the blood in the veins of crypto. They're what traders use to park money, what freelancers get paid in, what families in Argentina and Nigeria use to protect their savings from dying currencies. They move instantly, 24 hours a day, for fractions of a penny. No bank holidays. No middlemen. No permission required. Imagine sending $10,000 to your family overseas, and it arrives in 8 seconds, for less than a dime. So that's everyday reality in 2025. In Brazil, 9 out of every 10 crypto transactions are now stablecoins. Merchants, taxi drivers, even street barbecue stands accept them because it's cheaper than credit cards. One coffee shop owner told me he dropped card machines entirely. He saves thousands every month on fees. Across Africa and Southeast Asia, millions use stablecoins to escape 40% inflation and capital controls. A dollar on chain is the hardest money most people on Earth will ever own. But it gets better. Because these coins live on blockchains, you can earn yield on them automatically. Lend your digital dollars on safe platforms and wake up to 4, 5, even 8% annual interest paid every single day. Your money literally works while you sleep. Here's why everything is accelerating right now. First, Wall Street just went all in. Citadel Securities, one of the most powerful trading firms on the planet, led a $500 million raise into Ripple and the XRP ecosystem at a $40 billion valuation. Mastercard and Gemini are now rolling out credit cards settled instantly on the XRP ledger using the new RLUSD stablecoin. This isn't speculation anymore. This is infrastructure. Second, the United States finally passed clear stablecoin regulation this year. The Genius Act forces every issuer to hold real cash and treasuries one for one, ending the fear and uncertainty. Institutions that were sitting on the sidelines for years are now piling in by the billions. Third, real-world businesses are switching. Restaurants, payroll companies, even some U.S. states are experimenting with paying employees in stablecoins because it's faster and cheaper than direct deposit. Smart money isn't chasing 100x meme coins right now. They're quietly stacking clean, regulated stablecoins and the payment networks powering them. They're earning safe yield in DeFi. They're buying XRP and Stellar because those chains were built for exactly this moment. They're positioning for what analysts are calling the measured rally. Steady, powerful, life-changing gains driven by actual usage instead of hype. The greatest fortunes in history weren't built chasing lottery tickets. They were built owning the railroads, the oil pipelines, the payment networks that everyone else used every single day. Stablecoins and the chains that power them are the modern equivalent. If you want to turn this knowledge into generational wealth for your family, take action right now. For trending topics and actionable crypto insights, visit our website at GenerationalWealth.biz. While you're on our site, visit the shop and grab a free copy of our Generational Wealth Crypto Blueprint and Beginner's Guide to Altcoins. Absolutely free. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's build legacy together. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only and not financial or investment advice. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research.